Hello everyone, welcome again to GMT Institute. Today I am presenting the English chapter of class 10th, A Letter to God. I hope all you like it. Please watch till end. So, the story Letter to God is written by G.L. Fluent. Revolves around the idea of having unquestionable belief in something. The story is set in Latin America country Lencho, the farmer, who is the protagonist of the story, write a letter to God seeking help from the Almighty after discovering his entire crop yield destroyed by devastating hailstorm. Although his wishes get fulfilled partially, if not completely, he is ungrateful in the end and questioned the honesty and the modesty of the postmaster who actually helped him with money in the name of God. Lencho was a dedicated farmer. He was accepting a decent harvest. However, to his grief, a hailstorm came and destroyed his harvest completely. Lencho was very sad. However, he had a strong belief in God. He was certain that God would help him. Also, he was an extremely straightforward man, although working for a long time on the farm. He knew writing. Thus, he composed a letter to God. In the letter, he asked God to send him 100 pesos. At that point, he went to the post office, put his letter into the post box. The postmaster removed the letter from the letter box. He read the address on it and laughed very much. Also, he rushed to the postmaster and demonstrated to him that strange letter. Moreover, the postmaster also laughed in the same way when he saw the address of God. However, on reading the letter, he got very serious. He lauded this man who has unquestionable faith in God and decided to help him in the terms of money. He asked the employee of the post office to give charity. Moreover, he gave a part of his salary too. However, they were able to collect only a little more than 50 pesos as requested by Lencho. The postmaster put the money in an envelope. It was addressed to Lencho. On Sunday, Lencho once again came to the post office. He asked if there was a letter for him. The postmaster took out the letter and handed it to Lencho. Lencho was not surprised after seeing the money, but when he counted the money, he became angry on God. He was sure that God could not have made mistake. He took paper and ink and wrote one more letter. Then he put it into the letter box. After Lencho had left the place, the postmaster and the employer read the letter. In it, Lencho had complained to God that he received only 70 pesos. Also, he requested to God to send him the rest of money this time. However, he asked God not to send the money through the mail. He wrote that the post office employee were a bunch of crooks and thus might have stolen the money. The conclusion of a letter to God, we learn that faith has the power to give us what we want to fulfill our need. However, one must realize that humanity still prevails. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and share as more as you can, because your one share changes someone's future. So please share and press the bell icon to get my latest notification. Till that, stay safe and keep supporting and stay tuned for my upcoming videos.